Hi, this is Frank. My MR2 is up in the air because it had a little problem with the cross member. I went to remove this bolt right here that holds the lower control arm into the cross member, and this bolt started to spin freely without either tightening or loosening, and so that meant that the lower control arm could not come off, and this is a problem. So what happened evidently is inside this cross member there's a captive nut that the bolt threads into, and I had assumed that the captive nut was welded into the cross member, but boy was I wrong. And let me show you how we found out what's inside here and how we fixed it. This is what the inside of the cross member looks like. There's a cap that holds a captive nut, and in this case it's the cap that broke, allowing the captive nut to rotate. This bolt has a M12 by 1.5 thread, so we've got this little die or thread cleaner. We're going to run it through, and just using a socket wrench, just go around, clean up the threads. We've welded up the edges of the flap and gave it a little coat of paint for rust protection, and it's good to go. We've completed the repair. The cross member is now welded back shut. It's painted over for rust protection. Most importantly, this bolt now threads in and threads out and can be torqued to the specified torque, so life is good. Thanks for watching.